want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, 1 hour. What the heck? Did some traveling today and come back to this at the office. Not amazing. How the heck did the bulls lose this level? I mean, you had a high and a lower high. I mean, this signaled, we've talked about this plenty of times. Whenever you get a high, then a lower high, you're looking for downtrend, and it happened. So, I mean, this essentially was a descending triangle. Got to keep up to date on these lower term time frames. So it takes a certain type of person to trade these lower time frames, right? You have to have some time to do it. But now Bitcoin broke seemingly back into the pattern and now is stuck at this support. Not anymore. It's resistance. Go ahead and turn that red for resistance, because now the bulls need the same level that it took so much to get. Don't break out and pull off a miracle. Bitcoins can see some downside. This is the Bitcoin 2 hour chart. One thing about diagonal trend lines is that they are tough to draw because you have different variables. But if you look, you've got 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, 5 touch. This was a bull trap, which we called and we shorted. And then look at the breakout. You've got a little bit of volume, not amazing. But then I drew this other diagonal trend line with a dotted line. Either way, you got rejected up here hard. And the bulls had this move back into the pattern. Not amazing for the bulls right now. I'm just like yelling at my screen on the lower term time frames. We're going to look at the higher term time frames, and the bulls, will they have a chance to pull off a miracle? The debt ceiling, we're going to talk about that in just a second as well. The vote is coming. Actually, they're voting on it now. I've got some amazing shout outs to give my trading group. This person joined the group, started with $1,000. Now he's at about $55,000. Amazing. 55x his money since he joined the group. This person made $800, and he's in a country, and I've talked to him before on the phone. He's in a country where $800 gets you 16 nights in a very, very nice hotel. This person started with $1,000. I gave him $1,000 and I said, here, let me teach you how to trade. They're now at $4,000, 4x their money. This person went from $9,000 in the group to $75,000 with fairly conservative plays. And that's what this game is about. We're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. You're trying to take other people's money. Other people are trying to take your money. Be smart. Make the trades that have the highest win rate percentage. Falling wedges are very good. Bullish divergence on the RSI is huge. If you don't understand any of these terms, you need to be in the group learning this, because we've got life-changing money ahead. Face melting price action is coming. You've got to be in the right coins. Make sure go over to MEXC. 27 days left. They're giving away $9,100. Use the link in the description. We started a leverage trading group, which I'll talk about later, but it's ridiculous how easy it is to trade and how good this exchange is. You just got to try it. Debt ceiling vote live updates. So 8:30 p.m. Eastern time. So by the time I'm uploading this video, you own a bunch of T-bills, treasury bonds. You do not want to see them not raise the debt ceiling. Like, it's been nerve-wracking for a lot of people and unnecessary. Like, get this done, move past it, right? If the United States was a business, they would have been shut down long ago. But they just keep printing money out of thin air. Now, MEXC, the MX token is their exchange token. And I've done very well on this coin. And I've been waiting on a pullback to add more, but it just didn't. I mean, you got a pullback here and I missed it. Been waiting on a pullback to add more. So the way this works is, if you hold MX tokens on MEXC, link in the description, you get airdrops, lots of airdrops, right? They run airdrops through, you lock them up and you get a percentage of coins. Maybe it's not a lot, maybe it is, just depends on what the coin is and how many MX tokens you hold. So there's a need for people to buy this coin, and it's been up only since, I mean, it took off February, middle of February, right? So then you have the idea that, you know, people that work with the exchange, they have to hold 2,000 or 20,000 MX tokens. That's 60 grand or more at the current price if they're holding 20,000. So you have that incentive for certain people that work with MEXC that are holding. So it's designed to go up because people have valid use case right now, immediately. Hold MX tokens, get free coins, get incentives. Here it is. Now, it's plan A or plan B, right? We're calling the audible. If you get the bullish retest of this previous level, then this is price discovery. There's not a bunch of sellers stacked up here. If you get this rejection, you end up with a double top and you short it. But like I said, an incentive for people to buy these coins. So we haven't seen the pullbacks that I've been looking for personally. I haven't seen it, right? And so again, just trade the chart, plan A, plan B. That's simple. Bitcoin, daily chart. Are you freaking kidding me? So I'm driving all day today, medical stuff. Come home and I see this bulls completely drop the ball. Here. How do you do this? I'm yelling at my screen. I get home, I'm like, what the? Bulls must hold this level. Nope, didn't happen. Failed. This thing, bulls are trapped and need a bounce right here, a retest in order to stay alive, but not amazing. It was literally, when you see this price action, I want you to talk yourself through it, right? When you see price action where you put in a high and you had this bull trap, as soon as you break out the huge run up to 31,000 and then you lose the level and you bearishly retest it, that's the kiss of death and nuked, right? And so constantly we're looking for these ideas. And this is easy. After you join the group, the trading group, you can see these things and you'll change your life forever. But as soon as you put in another double top right here, M pattern, and it's a lower high. Here's your high, here's your lower high. I mean, this thing right here, sell signal, right? Lower highs are sell signals. But, I mean, is this the lower high right here? You know, not amazing right now for the bulls. However, you zoom out and you see this idea. Right now, this is in a falling wedge, and you could come back and retest like 25,200. And on a breakout, you would enter longs. If you lose this level, this thing is not amazing. You're coming back down 22,000, 20,000 possible, right? Be cautious. Now, the weekly chart still looks okay. You've got inverse head and shoulders, strong resistance, and you got this like bull flag forming. You just can't lose. You just cannot lose the 200 simple moving average. If that happens, this is a bull trap and bulls get nuked. You've got, see the 21 coming in here, this white moving average, see this white moving average coming in here? We got a bullish cross coming of the 200. I call it a baby golden cross. But these are both, the 200 and the 21 are going to be support right here to hold this thing up. Completely mixed signals. You got a MACD about to cross bearish, and you got the stochastic about to cross bullish, right? And so indicators, half the time, I don't pay a lot of attention to them, right? I want to see the price action. If this breaks this level, then I do this. If this loses this level, then I go short. And it's really plan A or plan B. Strategy, I follow my strategy, I stick to it, and it's very successful. And that's why I teach it. And that's why we kill it in the group. Banger after banger after banger after banger, right? You've got to be in the right coins. If you're not, you can't win. If you like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.